Okay, class, let's get ready.
In a world where education has shifted to digital platforms, access to technology has become essential. While some students thrive, others are left behind due to the lack of resources. Anna, equipped with a reliable laptop, high-speed internet, and a quiet place to study, faces her lessons with confidence. Meanwhile, Mark, who struggles with connection issues and has only his smartphone, finds it challenging to keep up with his classmates.
Oh, ay nako. Ang hina na naman ng signal. Mukhang di na naman ako makaka-attend ng class nila. Sumabay pa tong phone ko. Sobrang bagal.
Okay, let's get ready for class again.
Good morning, class. Narinig niyo ba ako?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you loud and clear.
Ma'am. Signal.
Ano, Mark? We can hear you clearly. Mark?
Ma'am, mukhang nag-disconnect na naman po si Mark.
Ganun ba? So everyone, let's continue. Igugulo po kayo sa dalawa. Ang magkakagroup ay sina Mark, Jessa, at saka si Ana. Pasabi na lang kay Mark na kagroup nyo Ana at Jessa, ha?
Sige po, ma'am.
Sa pangalawa naman group, si Bino at saka si Lan. Okay, guys?
Hi, guys. May pinapagawa sa atin si ma'am. May ideas ba kayo paano gawin?
Hi guys, pasensya na. Nawala ako sa meeting kanina. Nawalan kasi ng signal. Tsaka mabagal na kasi tong phone ko.
It's not its fault that wala siyang signal sa kanila, tsaka mabagal po
Ana
niya.
naman, don't be like that. Hindi naman kasalanan ni Mark.
Let's just talk about it tomorrow. Pasok naman tayo sa school.
Nakikita ko kay Mark kung gaano kahirap mag-aral kapag kulang sa gamit. Some student have laptops, wifi, a quiet room, pero marami rin wala.
What the hell? Wala naman signal?
ganun pa siya.
Kung yan ang decision niyo, okay lang. Pasensya na kung naging mabigat ako sa inyo.
Ana, mukhang mali ang ginawa natin.
O tapos, di ko naman problema na nawala siya ng signal. Eh, sana ginawa na ng paraan. Nag-IP pa siya.
Sorry tayo.
Mark, di kasi namin naintindihan sitwasyon mo.
I'm sorry na I didn't really understand your situation about not having internet at signal.
Okay lang guys, thank you sa pag-intindi. Tara, tapusin na natin. Gagawin ko na yung part ko.
Technology should connect people, not divide.
Ano yung pinapagawa sa'yo? Ano nga yun?
Moro yun, di ba?
Ayaw nga.
Ganito kasi, as future IT professional, we need to think those place lacks in technology. O, ikaw naman.
We need patience in teamwork, especially in online setup.
In digital divide, it is a shared responsibility to bridge it. And not until everyone has access, opportunity is not truly equal.
Digital opportunity must not be a privilege. It's not be a universal right.
Digital technology is not a luxury. It is a fundamental necessity of every modern society and opportunity.
The digital divide reminds us that true progress
In digital divide is a barrier that impacts learning, participation, and future opportunities. It's not just being unprepared, it's about having the essentials to succeed. The challenges faced by students like Mark highlight the urgent need for us to come together as a community.
Di ba may pinapagawa si ma'am? Ano nga yun?
Moro yun, di ba?
Ayaw nga.
Ganito kasi yan. As IT professional,
We did understand your
Okay lang guys. Thank you na yun. Ashila.
Huwag ka tamang kita ka! Yan, wala rin naiyak na.
Tanggalin na lang kaya natin si Mike sa buka. Wala naman siya natok. Mahina palagi yung signal niya.
Kung yan ang...
sabi na ako.
Dinilit na daw ni Alex yung code.
Paano ko sabihin yun? Ha? Paano pagkakataon? Hindi ko na parang
Digital technology is not a luxury. Sabi na, wala